Hello creator and filmmaker, thanks for watching vMetro TV. In this tutorial, how to change your text any shape. Open After Effects and create new composition name text. Make new solid for background and change free to any color. Now select text and typing your text world, something like this. Set, align your center. Now select Pen tool. And make any shape something like this. First be careful that the text layer is selected. OK, my shape complete. Open text layer, open text, path option. Path change to mask. And boom. And type other word, something like this. OK, now make your text animate. Select first margin, and keyframe change your text minus value. And go to select 4 second, and change something like this. Perfect, this tutorial complete. See you next time, next tips. Thanks for watching vMetro TV. Take care, bye.